Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change bank details in Zoho Invoice. Now I want you to log into your Zoho Books dashboard, come to the top right and click on this gear cog. This will lead you to your settings, okay? Then scroll down, you'll see customization, okay? Now under customization, you'll see this option that says PDF templates. Go ahead and click on this, and from here make sure you are under invoices, and we have our invoice template. Go ahead and click on edit right here. Okay, now if I come here and click on this option, it says other details, right? So we can go ahead and add or even change our bank details. So go ahead and click on this, add your bank details. If I come scroll down here, you will see where you have our bank details. So if I click on this, we're able to edit this. You can change this to anything like, example bank, and change the account number. You can make anything bold, italic, okay, according to your needs. It's the same process to go ahead and change it. Just highlight it and choose from right here. You can even change the color. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and click on preview. You'll see what it will look like. Make sure you save your changes. Come here at the top right, click on save. And there you go. The template information has been saved. And it's really that easy and simple.